Hi kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mia Yurka here, and we are back with another video. In today's video guys, I am going to show you guys how I properly installed this beautiful unit that I'm wearing. Yes, it's a no leave out, and I do have a closure. Okay, so it's not a 360 lace front, it's nothing like that. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can make a unit look so how do you say that, so natural. Okay, if this is your first time on my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe, hit on the notification bell every time I post a video. And if you're already a member of mine, you guys know I love you guys so dearly. Thank you so much for your support, and let's go ahead and get to the video, guys. Bye.
Why are you leaving me?
Then leave. Peace out.
Okay.
Why are you leaving me?
Then leave. Peace out.
Hey guys, we're all back. First of all, I would like to say I apologize. I did recorded the entire video, but I accidentally deleted part of them, so that is why it's showing up as pictures instead of actual videos. Because you guys know I love showing you guys the type of hair that I use and my braiding pattern, and that whole part just disappeared. So I don't know what happened to it, so I still needed to upload the video. So I'm sorry if you guys didn't see the whole beginning. And as you guys can see right now, I am applying the glue. But before you apply the glue, guys, some of you guys already know how to braid. Like, you guys know I'm horrible with braiding. But when you finish braiding your hair and then you do the ball cap method and stuff like that, which I just applied a cap and I just sew it on and stuff, it is very crucial to find out where you want to put your closure. In my case, I had used a closure. I did not use a full frontal. Okay, I used a closure and it was like a 4x4. You guys gonna see it. Before you apply the glue, find out where you want your closure to go. Okay, once you know where your closure is going, then you can apply the glue, as you guys see that I'm doing in the video. All right, so I applied the glue first. Some people will say sew the closure down first and then apply the glue, but I find it feels much more better when I apply the glue first, and then I am gonna go ahead and sew the closure. That part, guys, is very crucial. As you guys can see, I did show you guys the glue that I've used. I'm so sorry that the video, I accidentally deleted it, but it's like the Ghost Bond glue. So when it dries very clear, so it makes everything look super nice. So when after you're done applying it, make sure you use a dryer to kind of like dry it a little. That way it's not super white, and then you apply the closure. That way the closure can look more natural, and then you can continue drying it until it's fully dry. In that case, that's exactly what I did. And I had to fast forward the video, guys, because if I don't fast forward it, it will be like a long video, and I know you guys doesn't have time to watch a long ass video. Okay, so right now, as you guys can see, I am literally gonna start sewing the closure. Okay, we're gonna sew the closure like all around to make sure that it stays. All right, the worst thing is, you go to a pool party and something like that, and then your closure is all over the place. We don't want that. So make sure you sew it so it can be secured. Okay, so after you're done sewing the closure, all right, some of you guys might want to pluck out some of the baby hair to make it look more natural. But the hair that I purchased, guys, was so nice. It was so soft, so flowy. I love the vol. It was like the perfect hair. So it was already pre-plucked. Okay, so I didn't have to really do anything, and plus I'm not really good at pre-plucking the hair. The hair that I used was okay, I'm not really good at pre-plucking the hair. So the hair that I used was by Remy. I will have to try to find out for you guys. Maybe at the end of the video I'll go ahead and find a picture or something with that way you can see the name of the brand of the hair closely. After you're done sewing down the frontal, guys, then that's when I started gluing the hair. I did not sew in the hair, I just glue it because I wanted like a fast, quick style for that will last me 2 weeks. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and I glue the tracks. And basically, guys, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. It's not that hard at all. The most crucial part is when you are applying the the closure. That is why you apply the closure first, to make sure it's perfect. Once your closure is perfect, then you can go ahead and install, the rest of the hair. Okay, and another technique too, as you guys can see how I'm applying the hair like going straight, like from front to back. All right, when I get to the front, it makes the hair looks more natural, when you're looking at it, right? So this is exactly how I did my hair, guys. It's nothing crazy. After you're done installing everything, then you can just go ahead and style it to the style that you prefer or that you want. All right, so that's it for now. I'm done talking. I'm not gonna bore you guys to death. Continue watching the video. If you have any questions, please make sure you guys are commenting in the section below, and also share your experience. Maybe other people would like to know what makes it easier for you. So that was my technique. Maybe somebody might have another different technique that works for them. Go ahead and share that information in the comments below. That way other people can try your technique. I would like to try your technique too, and I'll make sure I give a shout out and and let people know that, hey, like this technique, I got it from so and so on and so forth. All right, so continue watching. I'm gonna put some music in the background for you guys to speed up stuff. And once again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.